Hello, I'm Mark Chastain, a member of the senior design team working on the Android application for the medical startup Avitas Orthopedics.
So let's begin by introducing the rest of the team. We have Amin, who will discuss the admin side of the app, then Saranya, who will demo the user side of the app, and finally Jackson, who will conclude the video. Amin, Saranya, and I were responsible for the application and graphical user interface, while Jackson worked on the backend server. To start off, this app was also a senior design project last year, and we're continuing development. The primary goals for this app include allowing Avitas' distributors easy access to important and quickly changing data, and to bring several important features to the tips of their fingers, reducing the need for different platforms. The app is divided into two groups, users and admins. Admins create and edit the data that is viewed by the users of the app. Admins can see all the information on the app, however, users are only able to see information that is assigned to the region in which they operate. This application interfaces with the backend server to store and access the data displayed to the users.
Hi, my name is Amin Ahmadi. I'm a member of the Fetus Senior Design Team. I will present the admin side of our app. For the admin side, the main purpose for them is able to monitor, modify, or remove within any of the features in the app. As you can see, they can add, modify, or remove any users in the system, while they can add, modify, or remove any particular media for all users to view. They can add, modify, or remove any ongoing or past conference appointments, and they can monitor all the surgery at the hospitals that carry their products. They can use the sales table to view the prices of all the products that various hospitals carry depending on the distributor. They can also add, modify, or remove any of this information. They can also check the inventory of all their products that a particular hospital carries, and similar to a user, they can take a picture off their phone and email it to whoever they desire to.
Hi, I'm Saranya, and in this project, I mostly worked on the front-end user interface. So in this app, there are two types of users, an admin and a regular user. An admin can see all of the information on the app, while a regular user can only see the information they have access to. Now I'm going to demo the user side of the application. So this is the application. First, you need to log in with the correct credentials. I am logging in with a user account. So these are the features that a user has access to. Last year, senior design team worked on the first two features, media and conference, and this year we were able to complete the other four features. So the media feature shows different documents that a user has access to. The conference feature shows upcoming and past conferences. Now is the sales table feature. This table shows the price of the company's products at each hospital. Since this is a user account, they can only see what they have access to, and that's why they can only see a couple of entries. Next is the inventory feature. This feature shows all of the products and how many per product are available. So for example, there are 8 product 2s available to use. The schedule surgery feature lets users schedule a product to use for a specific surgery. You can press on the plus button to fill out an application. You have to add which surgeon will be using the product, at which hospital, location, date, and time. Then you can upload it to the app. You can also view current and past surgeries. Lastly is the uploading a picture feature. It lets users take a picture of a document and send it via email. You can either take a picture using your camera, or you can also upload it through your library.
Hi, I'm Jackson Royce. I'm a computer science major at the University of Connecticut.
I worked on the backend database and its related components. This included an SQL database that is hosted on an AWS server. The application utilizes Java servlets run by a Tomcat server to allow any of our applications to connect to the databases. We as a team has faced many roadblocks and obstacles throughout this past year. For example, since we are inheriting this project, our first challenge was having to dive into uncommented code and reverse engineer how it works. Although it was difficult and frustrating to backtrack through another's work, it was a great learning experience on how to work with the team and work with someone else's code. We'd like to thank Avitas Orthopedics for taking the time out of their busy schedule to meet with us, as well as their patience with us throughout the project. We'd also like to thank Professor John Shin for guiding us every step of the way. Thank you guys for watching.